Our final sortie, we stowed off and climbed up to 30,000 feet. Went supersonic and then came back down to altitude, slowed up and did a slow landing, all in one sortie. Comfortable the whole time, and it was a great day to be flying.
Well, I thought it was a great privilege for the Boeing team to let me fly the last flight. Mixed emotions, really, because partly absolutely elated as soon as I landed that we'd completed a really successful flight test program, probably one of the best in history. But at the same time, really sad because that was the last time any of us were going to fly the aircraft, certainly for a while. So real mixed emotions on that one. This jet is handled superbly on this program, and I'm convinced Americans really do know how to put together a flight test program. A fantastic program. Yeah.
Both pilots did an outstanding job today. We got 5 flights out. We did short takeoff, went out supersonic, came back, did STOVL slow landings, did everything we really had planned to do. See you at Edwards. Yeah, I'm all wet. You want to be all wet?
Another great day. Second greatest day on the program. This is wonderful. Just absolutely outstanding. And we flew the full cards this time, full set of cards.
This is about as perfect a first flight that I think anybody's ever been able to do. And it's a tribute to all the members of the team, no matter where they are. You know, they've seen the airplane go together, they've seen the airplane roll out, and now they've seen both of them, and now the X-32B fly for the first time. And we're off and running.
I'd say from the time the wheels left the deck all the way to landing back here, it felt like coming home to an old friend. It flies just like the A, and you're going to hear me say that a lot, but it just flies just like the A.
Back to the left. This is surely not too fast, feels pretty good.
Ready.
And we're super.
Delta 31, we've been approved to Salt Lake restricted area. Nozzle should start sweeping here. There it goes. Close switch back. Recovered. Phantom 3 in flight. Turn left when able. Contact ground. Welcome to NAS Patuxent River.